The top 10 masked singer animals at the Toledo Zoo. Number 10, the mantis.
Girl, you really got me going. You got me so I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, you really got me now. You got me so I can't sleep at night. Yeah, you really got me going. You got me so I don't know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, you really got me now. You got me so I can't sleep at night. You really got me. You really got me. You really got me. See, don't ever set me free. I always wanna be by your side. Girl, you really got me now. You got me so I can't sleep at night. Yeah, you really got me now. You got me so I don't know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, you really got me now. You got me so I can't sleep at night. You really got me. You really got me. You really got me. Oh no! See, don't ever set me free. I always wanna be by your side. Girl, you really got me now. You got me so I can't sleep at night. Yeah, you really got me now. You got me so I don't know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, you really got me now. You got me so I can't sleep at night. You really got me. You really got me.
Who is this, Robin?
I have no idea. This is so good. That was awesome.
Number 9, the beetle.
Someday, when I'm awfully low,
Who is that?
when the world is cold, I will feel a glow just thinking of you and the way you look tonight.
Very nice voice. Yes.
Yes, you're lovely with your smile so warm
Aww.
and your cheeks so soft. There is nothing for me but to love you and the way you look tonight.
He's got some moves.
And that laugh that wrinkles your nose, it touches my foolish heart. Yes, you're lovely. Don't you ever change. Keep that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love and the way you look. I love you, Comet. I love you.
Number 8, the hippo.
Everybody's talking all the stuff about me. Why don't they just let me live? I don't need permission.
Singing is okay. I wouldn't say professional singer.
That's my prerogative. Say I'm crazy. I really don't care.
He sounds like an athlete.
Prerogative. They say I'm nasty. I don't give a damn. Hitting girls is how I live. Everybody's talking all this stuff about me. Why don't they just let
Hippo's moving his legs like he's under 30.
Yeah, exactly.
permission? Make my own decisions. That's my prerogative. It's my prerogative. I can do what I wanna do. It's my prerogative. I'm doing it just for you. It's my prerogative.
There's something attractive about the hippo.
It's my prerogative.
Number 7, the elephant.
I don't care if Monday's blue, Tuesday's gray and Wednesday too. Thursday, I don't care about you, it's Friday, I'm in love. Saturday waits, and Sunday always comes too late, but Friday never hesitates. I don't care if Monday's black, Tuesday, Wednesday, heart attack. Thursday, never looking back. It's Friday, I'm in love. Monday, you can fall apart. Tuesday, Wednesday, break my heart. Thursday doesn't even start. It's Friday, I'm in love. Do, 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 do. Friday, I'm in love.
Number 6, the serpent.
I'm feeling so cool. A top to the bottom, just cool. Every little thing that I do, damn it, I'm feeling so cool. Yeah, I woke up feeling like a new James Dean. I comb my hair like an old school sheen. I'm feeling fine like a late night summer of last year. Yeah, oh, you're standing there with that red dress on, yeah. A killer queen like a young James Fonda. Is it me or am I just having a good year? Lately I've been feeling so cool. The top to the bottom, just cool. Every little thing that I do, damn it, I'm feeling so cool. It's like, ooh, maybe I should bottle my moves. Spend them on a dollar or two. Damn it, I'm feeling so cool. Yeah. Woke up feeling like a new James Dean. I comb my hair like an old school sheen. When I grow up, I'm gonna be just like me. Cause lately I've been feeling so cool.
Number 5, the seahorse.
Oh baby, baby. Oh baby, baby. How was I supposed to know that something wasn't right? Yeah. Oh baby, baby. I shouldn't have let you go. Now you're out of sight, yeah. Show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now what we got. My loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe. When I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. Oh, pretty baby, I shouldn't have let you go. I must confess that my loneliness is killing me now. Don't you know I still believe that you will be here? Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time.
Number 4, the panther.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, You know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by. You know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me.
Very nice.
And I feel good. I'm feeling good. Stars when you shine, you know what I feel. Scent of the pine, you know how I feel. Freedom is mine, I know what I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new dawn, a new day, a new life. It's a new dawn, a new day, a new life, a new life for me. And the feeling good.
Number 3, the polar bear.
Toe to toe, isn't very close. Barely breathing, almost overtones. Wall to wall, people hypnotized, and their step being lively as each night in rapture. Hands in the air, put 'em up. Hands in the air, put 'em up. Here we go. Back to back, sacroiliac, spineless moving, and all rock tide. Woo, woo. Face to face, sightless solitude. And it's been heartbeat, 24 hours shopping rapture. Put your hands in there, everybody. Put your hands in there, everybody. Put your hands in the air, everybody.
Yeah!
Somebody say ho!
Number 2, the crocodile.
Lying beside you, here in the dark, feeling your heartbeat with mine. We set off together, drifted apart, until you are by my side.
Number 1, the octopus.
Bum bum boo da bum 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 tutti frutti, oh Rudy, tutti frutti, ooh, tutti frutti, oh Rudy, tutti frutti, oh Rudy, tutti frutti, oh Rudy, bum bum boo da bum bum. I got a girl named Sue, she knows just what to do. I got a girl named Sue, she knows just what to do. She rock to the east, she rock to the west. You're the girl that I love best. Tutti frutti, oh Rudy, tutti frutti, ooh, tutti frutti, oh Rudy, tutti frutti, oh Rudy, tutti frutti, oh Rudy. I said a wop bop boo da bop. I got a girl named Daisy, she almost drives me crazy. I got a girl named Daisy, she almost drives me crazy. She knows how to love me, yes indeed. Boy, you don't know what you do to me. Tutti frutti, oh Rudy, tutti frutti, ooh, tutti frutti, oh Rudy, tutti frutti, oh Rudy, tutti frutti, oh Rudy. Wop bop boo da bop bop boo.
That's all, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have a different order or ideas for new videos, please remember to share in the comments.